Hello, Varsha.
Hello, sir.
Good evening.
Very good evening.
Okay, Varsha, you have applied for a front-end developer role. So, can you just brief me about yourself?
Okay. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Varsha and I am basically from Bidar. I have completed my graduation from Vishweshwara Technological University in the stream of civil engineering. I have worked as a UI developer. For 1 year, I have worked on HTML and CSS. From past 6 months, I am working as an Angular developer. That's all about.
Okay. So, Varsha, can you just explain me about your projects? On which modules did you work on?
No idea.
Okay, fine. So, Varsha, how much do you rate yourself in UI? Up to 5.
4, sir.
So, why? That much means 4 is a good enough.
4?
4 is a good enough, no? So, why 4?
So as I'm still in a learning process, sir, I need to learn more things. Considering that, I'm rating myself as 4.
Yes, you are in learning learning phase and you are rating yourself 4.
Out of 5.
Yes, out of 5 you are rating yourself 4 means you are the best. Correct?
No, sir.
So why you are
4.
rating yourself that much? That is my question.
I think I can work properly according to my knowledge. I have clear concepts about theory.
Okay, fine. So why should we hire you?
So as I am a fresher, I have little experience, but it will be useful to you as I'm a quick learner. I can learn things easily.
You said you are a fresher, but you have 1.5 years. I think. How much did you say your experience?
1.5.
But you are saying you are a fresher. Means is your experience is fake?
No. To this field, I am fresher.
Okay, fine. Okay, Varsha. So, what is HTML?
HTML is a hypertext markup language. It is used to design a web page.
Okay. What is the difference between previous versions of HTML and HTML5?
So previous version of HTML is an older version, whereas HTML5 is a new version. In HTML5, we have audio, video tags included in it, and in HTML5 geolocation is possible, whereas in the older version it was not possible. Older version was a less detailed compared to the new version.
Okay. What are HTML attributes?
Attributes which store some meta information.
Meta information
Of a HTML element are called as attributes.
Okay. What is semantic HTML?
Semantic HTML, it includes header, footer.
What is mean by semantic HTML?
Semantic.
Yes.
It consists of header, footer, main.
What is header, footer, main, and why it is related to semantic HTML?
No, it is.
Okay. Why we use article element?
Article tag.
Yes. Why we use it?
I'm not recalling.
Okay, fine. What is the difference between float and text align?
Okay, float is used to move move an element to the right or a left side, where a text align is used to align the text which is present inside.
Okay. What are the new inputs types in HTML5 for forms?
In label,
Label is not an input type.
button, text.
But which are the introduced in new HTML5? Which new input types are introduced in HTML5? We have already input type text, correct?
Yes, sir.
So which new types came in HTML5?
Sorry, sir.
Okay. Why we use iframe tag?
Iframe tag is used to combine another tag in it. For example, we already have a one link in that and we want to add another link, we use iframe tags.
Link means I didn't understood.
Web browser.
Web.
Combine two attributes.
No.
We have already connected one social media link to it, sir, and we want to add another one. Then we use iframe.
Okay. Why we use canvas element?
Canvas. It is easy for gaming applications.
But why we use it? Means what is the use of that?
No ideas.
Okay. What is required attribute is used for?
Required attribute.
Yes. Did you use anytime required attribute?
Till now, no, sir.
in form or in input type required attribute is used.
I'm not aware about it.
Okay, fine. What is the difference between inline elements and block level elements?
Block level element starts from new line. We can apply margin. We can apply margin in all the 4 direction. We can apply height and width. Whereas inline element starts in a same row. We cannot apply height and width. We can apply margin only in the top and the bottom direction.
Examples?
Span of inline element spans for block level div.
Okay. What is a custom attribute?
Sorry. Hello.
Yes. Okay. What is CSS?
CSS is a cascade style sheet used for giving style to the web page.
What are the advantages of CSS?
We can read code easily and code is maintainable. It is more detailed.
No, one is also not right.
What's that?
What are the advantages of using CSS?
We can give styles easily
Okay,
and
yes.
code will be easy to read.
Yes.
If we want to change anything, we can go in CSS and change.
Okay. And what are the disadvantages of CSS?
Disadvantages. If a project is more lengthy, sir, then the CSS will also go very lengthy, which is very hard to change again.
Okay. What is a box model?
Every HTML element is considered as a box model. It consists of some properties like padding, margin, border, and content.
What are the CSS frameworks?
CSS frameworks. No, sir.
Okay. What are the CSS pseudo elements and pseudo classes?
Pseudo class. It pseudo elements goes particular type of elements, whereas pseudo class
Okay. You can tell examples, just examples also.
After, before,
These are the pseudo elements or classes.
pseudo classes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
And which are the pseudo elements then?
Focus, active, hover.
I think you are saying in reverse.
Okay, sir. I will go
After,
to
before
it.
are the pseudo elements.
Okay.
Pivot, focus, all the pseudo elements. Okay, what is SAS?
SAS is a preprocessor of CSS.
What are the features of SAS?
Hello. Hello.
What are the features of SAS?
Variables mixing, nesting, partials and imports.
What is mixing?
Mixing, it is used to mix the codes which are reusable.
How we use mixing? How we create a mixing?
Like a primary color. Am I correct, sir? Hello.
What is gradient?
Gradient.
What is responsive web design and why it is used?
Responsive web design, to make a layout responsible for both laptop, tab and mobile.
Okay, how we write a code for that?
Media at the rate all. Sorry, at the rate media all, maximum width, maximum
Okay. Why we use translate property?
class.
Why we use translate property?
Translate, to move a element in the x direction or y direction.
Okay. What is Z index?
Z index. Okay.
Do you know Z index?
Yes, sir. Z index. We use
What is calci function?
calci. It is a mathematical operation
Why it is used?
to calculate the rows, column width, to give width to a row or column.
What is JavaScript?
JavaScript is a function oriented, language oriented, having first class function.
What is call, apply, and bind?
Call function is called one after the other. When we apply, when we use call, it invokes the function one after the other. When we apply, then it invokes the function one after the other in the form of array, and bind it. It also calls in the form of array only, sir.
Can you explain me with the example?
Example, no, sir. Example, I need to see, sir, once.
Means, can you explain me with the example?
No, sir. I have only gone through the theory part.
Okay. I will share you one code in chat. Okay. What will be the output of that? Can you tell me?
Ten, sir.
Yes.
10.
10
Hmm.
and
Type of ABC, sir.
10 undefined will be the output.
That I was asking type of ABC also. Should I tell?
Okay. Fine. What is the difference between event capturing and event bubbling?
Okay. Event capturing. First, this gives a value in the form of boolean, like true or false. Event capturing, if the capturing takes place, then the value will be true. Event bubbling, in that, if the value, event bubbling, when the bubbling happens, then the value will be false.
No. What is immediately invoked function? Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is immediately invoked function?
Which gives a value as soon as it is defined.
What is the use of that?
No idea, sir.
What is the difference between pass by value and pass by reference?
No idea, sir.
Okay. Is JavaScript is a statically typed or dynamically typed?
Statically typed
Why?
because it gives it it does not wait for the output to come. So
That is not the difference between the statically typed and dynamically. Statically typed or dynamically typed means what? Tell me first.
static means in steady position.
No, statically typed and dynamically typed means in statically typed we have to give type of a variable, like if it is a number or string, we have to tell it. JavaScript is a dynamically typed. It will take automatically the type. You just want to define the variable. Will not
TypeScript
give.
is
Ah,
statically typed.
yes, there will give the type. Correct. But that is also if will not give the type there also, it will
It
take.
will.
Okay, fine. Okay, do you know any framework of JavaScript?
Yes.
Okay. What is promise?
Promise which gives it is which gives a value in future. It is asynchronous function.
Why should we
Uh,
use promise? Where should we use promise?
where to use it? No, yeah. To get the value in the form of reject or resolve.
No. Where should we use the promise? It's where you will use the promise in your code. I am sharing you one question. Copy that. Share your screen.
ಚಂಕಡರೆ
Copy that question.
this is algorithm, I guess, sir.
Yes.
ಚಂಕಡರೆ algorithm.
Yes. You can share your screen. I can't see your screen. Okay, comment out the question. Comment all the question. Okay, so you have to create a chunked array from the given array. Okay, the given array is that 10, 20, 30. Okay, and if we pass number 2 in that function, it will create a chunks like 2 elements. Okay, if you pass number 3, it will create a chunks like 3 elements as line 7. Okay, you have output also. If you pass 2, it will create the output should be like fifth number at
Yes,
the line
I
5.
got your question, sir.
Yes, okay.
But I I should go through these algorithms.
You have to try it out because I have given you a question.
I can do.
Means, hmm? Or take one more question. You can do any one. One more question is you have to find the factorial of a given number. If we pass any number, we have to find the factorial of that. Do you know for factorial?
No, sir. I know.
Okay. Take one array, okay, and random array, and you have to sort it without using any predefined method. Take one array. This is already sorted. You are taking already.
No, sir.
The only one is okay. So you have to sort this without using any predefined method by using proper for loop. Comment the code that
Not by using direct sort method, sir.
without using any predefined method. I said you have to use for loop and sort this.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, Varsha. Hello. Hello. Hello, Varsha. Hello. Hello, Varsha. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Tell me. Tell me what logic you are trying to write.
I was trying if
Hmm.
array is less than
Hmm.
100,
Hmm.
then
Hmm.
call the function, but
Which function?
I'm not getting it.
Okay, Varsha, we are done with your interview. Do you have any questions for me? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any questions for me?
Feedback. Can you give me feedback?
You have to work a lot on your technicals.
Theory is bit okay. What do you think, sir?
But I think you have given just 10% answers from 100% questions. So you got that water is above your nose or head. Okay.
What, sir?
This means you have to start preparing very hard. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This will not work. Correct. So you have to build a logic also. If I am giving you any question, so first you have to think the logic and then you have to write. Okay. You are not getting the logic only. For that you have to practice more. If you are giving 8 hours, give 12 hours in a day. Then only, okay, it is.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Okay. So bye.
Bye, sir.
But in next interview, I want a better means.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I'll give
Okay.
my best.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.